Then it part 2. Say part 1. Think he's a minor for that.
Wavy duo back in the spot. We got getting girls' numbers with a flip phone part 2. Dude, Dennis, see what's going on. I'm assuming they back on my yams strip. Assuming he had this video in the cut. Last one was on the strip, right?
Yeah. I watched that. We did that. Follow Jaden. Follow our Twitch.
Twitch is super active.
Yes,
so I'm gonna say.
Don't miss out with the content. Like a lot of y'all. We do a whole lot of shit.
You're not there. You're missing out. From me to you.
Super missing out. In between there's all the shit y'all want to see that we can't post on YouTube will be on Twitch. And if you... Oh, well, yeah, we got it. Yeah, but, you know, if you didn't hear, on this side of the, this side of the function, go to the Twitch, man.
Please do so.
Just show
Follow
love.
the Discord. If that, I don't even know if that's in the description. You gotta put that. Follow the Discord for real. Notification every time we go live. Go live Wednesday, Thursday. Tune in. Do this though. Subscribe if you're new.
Pay 10, you ride 8 seconds, you win $200. So I'm gonna ride it. Is it hard though? Have you did it?
Say hey to my smell.
What's up with it, smell?
I'm just that fan.
What's up with it? Have you did it before?
Have I done it? I'm just the assistant. I'm just covering for the boss today.
Can you give me change for 20 for one ride?
Here you go. I'm a little nervous, so you gotta...
I need your sign right here.
Right here?
Yep.
D.
Hey, ride the hell out of it.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name's Duke.
Duke. Calling him D-Block apparently.
Yeah!
He's going for the $200 challenge. On camera, on all. Gonna be on YouTube. Sir, you gotta get on there and find out for yourself. Get on up there, D. Alrighty now, young man, 8 seconds, one hand only.
Oh, nah.
Can't touch or grab the bull. Oh, he ain't smiling no more. You ready? All those dumb bull rules. Here we go.
You better lock your feet, nigga. You better lock your feet.
We got D. Oh, man, sir. That was 6.7 seconds, sir. I think we got a phone somewhere Willie took. No, he'll get it on his way, sir. That's a secondary phone. I can tell what it is. Don't forget the trap phone, D.
Yo, she's hot. Look at her like.
Have a good one, sir. Thank you so much. Well, I'm going to be on YouTube now.
Really ride that motherfucker. You want that, bro?
Money says he's got to help his friends get those seats. More teeth and gold.
All right, bro. Go ahead, bro.
All right, Davo.
Hey, it's one
8
hand,
seconds,
though.
one hand.
One
Don't
hand,
touch or grab the bull, sir. Let me get myself ready. You ready? Yeah. Here we go.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, no. Davo, no. No. 4 seconds flat, sir.
Hey,
But your dreads look great flying in the wind.
Bro. Oh, my mama, she cheating, bro.
Hey, my picture got messed up.
We can be doing that,
Yo.
Damn.
Hold on. Is right here?
Yeah, right now. Which one you looking at?
8 seconds, sir. Getting close, too close. You're really shaking. Good job.
What you think, man? Think I should do it again, man? That's $10,
That
though.
shit scam, ain't gonna lie. Hey, shit, you got it. Shit, you got it.
No, I ain't got it. I really want to do it. You gotta think it's a profit, though. You gotta think it's a profit. I done spent 20. If I spend 30, that's a goddamn $107 profit. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
D-Block. Coming back on stage. Mighty D-Block.
Yo. Oh, yeah. Let's get it.
Tell me when you're ready. You ready?
Hey, just don't flip me that
You
way.
sure you're ready? Alrighty, here we go.
She not trying to lose 200, nigga.
Oh man, he left
Shook him out his shoe.
D-Block. We love and appreciate you, sir. Don't forget the trap phone. I think one went that way. Don't forget the sneakers. He wanted to make sure the kicks got shown today.
God damn, what?
In the mic.
2 hands on I get that though. 2 hands I get that easy. Like she really cheated me though, like type shit. That's all I ain't tripping.
In the mic. He wanted to make sure the kicks got shown today.
You got the Gucci emblem on it. It says Gucci on the side. Those are definitely triple S's though.
He wanted to make sure the kicks got shown today.
God damn, what?
Nah, those don't actually now they don't look like triple S's.
2 hands on I get that though. 2 hands I get that easy. Like she really cheated me though, like type shit. That's all I ain't tripping. Man, you think I'm tripping, man, on some shit like that, man? I'm tripping though, I ain't. What you say, bro?
Bro, you got me all the girls, you got me all the Riz, I swear.
You ain't got no
You the Riz guy,
Hey,
bro.
bro, hey, I put all the girls just doing this. I put all of them. I gotta go. Bro, I'm dead serious.
You got me all the girls. Where the girl at? Hey, dude. Hey, can I get your Gmail?
Nah, yeah, see.
Nigga said,
He
can
got
I
him
get your
his
Gmail?
Wait, what?
Bro, he said, can I get your Gmail? You're gonna be, what I'm telling you, you're disappointed now, but when you hear, you're gonna be like, yeah, he's out of his mind.
So if someone does that, he's like, I'll try to pick up this girl. Get on his knees, please.
Watch him do that, like, he didn't get that from me. I'll tell you that much.
Nah, yeah, I don't.
Only didn't get that from me.
Nah, yeah, I don't know. Look at his man's too hype. Smiling, yeah, it's lit.
Look, yeah, it's dude.
Bro, it throws me off. Niggas say, yo, are you a girl?
You got me all the girls. Where the girl at? Hey, dude. Hey, can I get your Gmail? Can I get your Gmail, please? Your Gmail, please?
This nigga cheating.
You got me all the girls. Where the girl at? Hey, dude. Hey, can I get your Gmail? Can I get your Gmail, please? Your Gmail, please?
Can I do an interview with you?
Interview?
Yeah. Don't go who I with today? Yeah, don't go What's the freakiest thing you ever did? What's the freakiest thing you ever did?
I ain't had it. How old you is, man?
15.
Nope.
Fuck, bro. Nah.
She about to
He's
say
gonna
that,
ask
isn't
what's the
it?
freakiest thing you ever did. It's a good thing you asked. How old is you?
Yeah, because, bro,
15.
why you 15 worried about that right now? Enjoy your life while you got it.
Nah, look at Dave, old nigga like, yo, it's time to head out.
Oh, yeah, we gotta get out of here,
The
man.
crowd behind him, though.
That nigga's gotta take it easy.
So relax.
Oh no. Hey, you don't need to be talking about that type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit. Real quick. Oh, real quick. Alright, hold on. If we're going up, ain't it? I ain't used one of these. What's up, bro? What's up? I ain't used one of these. Oh, but look though. No account, right? Look who third.
Okay.
Look who third. No account now. Yes, sir. Look who third. Hey, hold on. But that boy Duke did it. You know what I'm saying? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That boy Duke did it.
You see how close they got to him? Just like, you doing this shit on purpose, huh?
It's okay.
But that boy Duke did it. You know what I'm saying? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What's that boy Duke did? Not even get out the way.
But hey, yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe. Don't do this, man.
Y'all are a gang of beautiful men.
Damn. That was, you beautiful.
I know, but I just needed to be amongst some beautiful men.
Oh, yeah?
Nah, she would have been
I
I would have walked away. I
I
would
would
have
be like,
walked
Dave,
away.
don't turn the camera off.
I would have not even sat next to her respectfully. I'd be like, yo, what's that in your hand? Oh, I'm gonna let you be
Oh,
safe.
that's a sick wet?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I, ain't even
I'm
I don't know why I thought that was a split, bro.
I'm like, look, listen, miss, you look good respectfully, but that in your, yeah, I'm out of here. Safe.
Damn, I would probably still turn the camera.
Safe up. All right, have a good night.
Too bad you ain't looking for a boyfriend right now.
You guys are
Oh, you want my...
smile.
Open up your IG. You know what? I would give you my number, but I don't give my number out like
You don't
that.
have to. I don't either.
Oh, yeah?
No. What's your name?
Hold on.
She really like.
She probably was like 35.
She look alright, but
She look good, but it's like smoke cigarettes. I'm not gonna forget that. Your breath stink.
That shit throw me off.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Nah, it's not funny, man. Damn.
Holy shit! Got him. Everyone saw that I got him, right? Okay.
I was
Come back. Where'd he go?
I'm so
Hey man, y'all done dropped the fucking cat, man.
That's crazy.
Well, you know you look like what? Your baby. Yup.
Nah, what the
Really?
I don't. Next. Next question.
You looking for him?
No.
Okay, that's a great question.
No,
You looking to get? Are you looking to get to know somebody though?
No, not really.
Oh yeah.
Not really. I'm just chilling right now.
Ready to go home?
Ready to go home.
I like your. I mean to be leaning on you.
Like you have on, so she get right away.
I know.
She get it right away because she got heels on.
Listen, I can have your number ready.
What's your name? He got a flip phone.
803.
Dude! Y'all know who the fuck this is? Tight shit, but. Hey, man, goddamn. Hey, man, goddamn.
Right now.
I need to draw the Hellcat.
Cut it, man. Cut this nigga, man.
Tight shit. Yo. My boy. Hey. Tight shit. Too many fiends.
Hey.
Too many what, my boy?
Yo, bro, you bump into a nigga how he just bumped into that nigga right there?
Tight shit.
Bro,
Too many fiends.
like this? Yeah.
Look, he just let that. They
Yo,
probably
what you
saw.
jacking?
Nah, they probably saw the camera.
What you jacked?
Nah, yeah, they saw the camera. They saw him talking to the camera. Like, we just gonna walk past him.
You
You
said-
little edit out right now.
Nah, that reminds me when DP was like, niggas be waiting for that shit.
Nah,
They
yeah,
gonna run
no,
into you
what?
and be like, oh, you hit me. Yeah. It's
I'm
like
telling
that.
you, bro, niggas have been up for him, bro.
Niggas
Niggas
say,
been
yeah.
up
To New York.
That's the second time.
Niggas say, yo, what you jacking?
Hey, go tell my boy Big D about shit, man.
PD block. Oh, I ain't finna pull that out, but you know what's going on. Whole lot of D block. The big drop. So funny, man. I got a whole ass flip phone.
Hold on. Don't laugh at my dog, though.
I told I'm in between phones right now.
Can we take a picture together?
Yeah.
Come here, man.
Hold on, what's your name?
My name Duke. What's yours? Hey, hold on. I really would get your number, but I ain't want to.
You can't have my number. I want too many jobs.
Hold on. I got 2 jobs.
I got 2 jobs too.
Yeah.
That's what I found.
You gotta find this count. You chat right now, man.
Yeah, you see what's up. I'm dead ass serious. I'm a mama, I'm a daughter.
Oh, yeah? Are you know
What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
That's what I found.
You gotta find this count. You chat right now, man.
Yeah, you see what's up. I'm dead ass serious. I'm a mama, I'm a daughter.
You chat right now, man.
Yeah, you see what's up. I'm dead ass serious. I'm a mama, I'm a daughter.
Oh, yeah? And you know, I really love this blue on you, though. Fuck you. Fuck him or fuck me.
Man, fuck blue.
Nah, what is wrong with her?
Nah, she's just drunk. Or nah, she does crack. I'm joking. She does something.
Nah, her responses are like, man, nonchalant.
But she's being mean too at the same time. Like,
Hey, shorty.
he said, "Here, I got 2 jobs. I got 2 jobs. I got 5. You stupid fuck. What?"
You can say your hair blue. Fuck you.
I'm dead ass serious. I'm a mama, I'm a daughter.
Oh, yeah? And you know, I really love this blue on you, though. Fuck you. Fuck him or fuck me.
Man, fuck blue.
Oh, fuck you. Man.
My favorite color red.
What's up, man? Let me get your number, man. Let me get your number, man. Let me get your number, man.
You got a flip phone? I bet you dead.
You motherfucker.
That's some bullshit.
What's up? What's up with you, son? What's up with you? How you doing?
Yo, man, you doing well.
Why you say that?
Ain't good to be in the streets, man. I'm talking to the kings now.
Of course.
Me and my wife sitting right over there. I've been sitting there for the last 3 to 4 days.
Oh, yeah?
We're
I got about
every damn dime we can get.
I got about 40. Hey, I got 40 on.
Where is he at right now?
I think it's
Miami.
Nah, South
Oh, no,
Carolina
no,
or
no.
something. This day too.
Yeah, he might.
Is that?
South Carolina. I just don't know where in South Carolina.
Nah, a lot of them niggas sound southern.
He definitely does.
He's either in North or South, one of those two. But that nigga said he been sitting for 3-4 days.
That nigga's just there.
Nah, he's chatting, bro.
And then you just came up on some like, yo, I'm about to talk to
But
you.
that's really some Florida shit, cause bro, a nigga came up to us and was like, yo, you got that. Like, that's not what he really said, but he was like, yo, you got that. The agent, he was like, nah, that's, you don't got that for you. He was like, yo,
Oh, yeah.
alright. He was like, what the fuck?
Nah, I would blew mine.
Nah, nigga was like, yo.
Niggas be mad comfortable. Like, niggas
Nah,
be
yeah.
honest, mad close up, turn around, like, yo, bro.
I guess I just look like a nigga that had it at that time.
Well, he's mistaken. That's just crazy.
Dollars for you right here, young sir. Okay,
Yes,
look,
a
I know it
blessing.
ain't much, but hey, look, that's an investment right there.
It's a blessing.
It's an investment right there.
Wait a minute. How old do you think I am, young man?
51, 52.
Never see that again.
Huh?
I was born April 24th, 1940.
40. God damn, you about 73.
Hey,
82.
82. You look good as fuck, boy. You look good.
You're in your 90s?
Don't break my shit.
You stupid.
Wavy.
Boy, that's cap. Boy, you look too good to be 80 something, man.
My youngest child is
You gonna be
34.
right here?
My oldest
Okay.
is 53.
If you 80 something, man, I would be blessed to look like you when I get 80 something.
Yeah,
You look good, boy. I'm telling you, man. You look good.
Nigga told me to never say that again.
Hey.
That's a compliment.
Ghetto, like, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Like, this would be a good advice point of view. Man, just chatting, man. Hell yeah, like, nigga, goddamn, so boom, nigga, I'm texting her phone, nigga, she ain't answering. It's 3 in the morning. But she was just on IG Live. And goddamn, said she was active. I seen the green bubble beside her. Nigga, bitch text me earlier the next morning talking about I fell asleep. Bitch! You fell asleep. Hold on.
Bitch done went through my messages, my goddamn photos. When she seen that curve though, she done got that curve. Nigga cute.
Hold on. They had some bitches over here last night. The bitch done went through his phone and seen the dick pic.
Bitch was ready to stay in.
She was. hey, I can vouch for that, man. She was not trying to leave after that right there, man. And get what she told her friends, Q. Y'all can go. I got my own car. Yeah, she said y'all can go. I got my own car.
Crazy.
Whole time I'm wondering, damn, Q raising her ass up. Wrong. She seen a dick pic in his phone. It's tough.
Hey, I was reasoning though, like the whole time I'm talking to her and shit, and then she went through my phone on her own shit. So I'm like, oh well shit, bitch. Whole time I was expecting her to see the dick pic, but I'm like, why is she goddamn going through my phone, like my messages, and then the bitch talking about, oh, you sell weed, all type of shit. I was like, set my heart beat.
Bro, this nigga, bro, hold on, bro. Bro, this nigga said my heartbeat was going through my dick one day, so I recorded it and sent it to him.
Nah, that's that old shit.
Boy, do y'all know how much of a straight face this nigga just had there?
No way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. What's doing?
What's up with you, my boy?
Oh, shit. Yes, sir. That boy, dude. Hey, that nigga dude got here. Hey, ain't no way, boy.
I still good. Hey, I'm telling you what, you still good too, I I ain't too far.
Right now, yes.
Hey, you better go ahead and hold me. I am a grown man, man.
Yes, you're certified.
Yes, man.
What are you looking for?
My phone. What's your name though? Mo? My name Duke.
I feel so bad. That's my nephew.
Look, I'm 28.
Oh, is he recording this? Hey.
Whatever.
What? He got my number. Oh, is he recording this? Hey.
Shorty woke up and said he's rizzing up by Owen.
What? He got my number.
No.
Yo, dude, nah, you be wildin', gang. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, she look good. There's nothing you can do against that. She's bugging.
Nah, he's like, yo, bro, that's his all his mom's.
Damn.
He's sick.
I really like, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, you walk into Miami shit with your mom's looking like that. First of all, you bugging, I ain't gonna lie. You fake, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I would've just did,
yeah.
Like, you doing that, go be you, Mo. I ain't gonna lie. You
Niggas, I would've just
bugging.
Go be you.
Cause I ain't got nothing to do with that, Mo.
Well, if I could just see what.
What? He got my number.
Hey, you know what? Y'all definitely. You know what? Really?
You gonna let him run his wrist on my arm? He's running his wrist on my arm.
You're really rizzing my arm.
You wanna take a picture of me? You wanna take a picture of me? Hold on. You see right here? Oh, you got an Android. Look, I'm gonna text you. This is me right here. See, you hear me? This is me right here. My name Duke. Nice to meet you.
Nigga said, oh, you got it.
What the rest of the AMP crew at?
Oh, God, you ain't have to.
Yeah, come on, take a picture right now.
I bet.
My God, please get a hug.
Hey, you talking to me? What you want to know, bro?
Yo, sure, just pull up. Yo.
She said, I need a hug. I'm like, how old are you? Alright.
Let's take a picture right now.
How old are you? Nah, that's beast.
I'm like, no, please, nothing like that. Just, you commanded me.
You can say you commanded me.
She's been waiting for that to happen all her life.
This shit gotta happen often.
Look at her eyes are closed.
Nah, yeah, started back over. Cause she like,
Yeah, come on, take a picture right now.
My God, please get a hug.
What's your name?
Oh my God, oh my God, your teeth are free. I'm Victoria.
Victoria. Okay, y'all from out here though?
No, it's
Y'all go about, what is it, about 6 hours? 4? Yes, I heard 6 hours. Hey, man.
6, well, it depends on what part. I'm from Southern.
Oh, yeah?
So that kind of, yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God,
Hey, don't do that. Man, get your number or something, man. Get your number or something, man, with this right here, right here.
Boy, what?
Oh, word? You gonna?
I'm sorry.
I don't care.
Yeah.
Is that
Okay.
though? I don't care.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter to me.
it doesn't matter. Yo.
That's not true. She didn't even light up when you
I'm gonna.
You're just typing in random.
I know my number by heart.
Did the flip phone really work? That's not even, see.
Oh, no. See, that's my, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I was just making
Yeah,
sure.
I'm about to say they
No, because I pulled, it was dead. So like I had to, I don't know, oh shit, I got my other phone with me type shit.
Yep, my brother, Bert, he is. My brother.
Hey, nice to meet y'all, man. Y'all have a good night.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, ma'am. You have a great night too. Yes, ma'am. Yep, see, I told you. It definitely was gonna work, man. You see, hey, it was dead at first, and I was like, type shit, it's gonna work, so this still count, low key.
We're from motherfucking bullshit. You hear me? No, we not. I'm from Raleigh, bro. 100 block. Fuck Raleigh, nigga. Man, come on. WG and shit. We from the Bull City, Durham, North Carolina. You hear me? No cap.
Well, that's a hard shirt right there, my brother. This nigga got a Akatsuki collared shirt on. that motherfucker hard, man.
I'm so fucking done.
Yeah, I ain't nobody. I just bought the camera.
That's good.
Oh, he's somebody. Somebody. I don't know who is everybody. I don't know you, but I want to be like.
Yeah, nah, I just bought the camera because I know
Okay, so you do
motherfuckers like the
YouTube.
camera.
What kind of like videos you do?
See, I just started like last month.
What you do though? Like them videos they be like, hey, you cheating on your
No.
nigga?
I just be doing random shit.
Oh, like what though?
Whatever I want to do.
Well, fuck it, you tell me.
Like if I want to go ride a horse or some shit, then
Well,
I'll
let's
do
go
that.
ride a horse.
What you go?
Virginia.
See, what the fuck is? What's up with everybody being from Virginia? Like,
I'm from Richmond. I don't know where the fuck the rest of these bitches is from, but I'm from Richmond.
shit, I ain't never been to Virginia.
Okay, put my snap in. Put my snap in. Put that on the YouTube.
I don't got Snap. I stopped using that shit.
What the fuck you got then? You finna hit me with them. Man. Oh my God, I know you ain't gonna do me like that.
I know you ain't gonna do me like that.
Alright, fuck that. What's your number? Let me see. Dude, I want to talk about little person. I don't know. Shit, let me see. I'm being real. I ain't want you to fly. I want to know who you is. I'm
trying to get to.
Alright, come on. Let me know. Let me see the track. Fuck.
I'll get it after.
What?
Real tight.
Oh, real tight. Okay, I got it. I'm already knowing what this shit going. The fuck going on, nigga?
I need my TikTok to blow up.
Excuse me? What's your name? Jay?
She's not riding the bike.
My name is Nice to meet you. Yes, ma'am. Where you from?
Get off. Be like, what are you doing?
I'm from Greenville, man. I fuck with your hat, man. I've been trying to find Davo the whole time, man. I'm trying to find Davo. Where the fuck the nigga at, man?
Real. Everybody knows
So
that.
why you come up to me on it? Know what I'm saying?
I just wanted to.
Oh yeah, man. Come up to me, man. You know what I'm saying? Ready? Hey, me, bro. I wouldn't let her talk to you like that, bro. Me personally, no, I'm talking to my dog. Me personally, I won't let nobody talk to me like that. I'm just saying, me personally, I won't let shit like that go down. But then again, like, that ain't me, and that ain't none of my business, really.
Got me running down the fucking beach.
Wait, no motherfucker. Let's take a picture. Let's take a picture though.
All right, come on. No cap. I'm over here playing this shit. Look at Deja.
Yeah, you right. You damn right. Wait, no motherfucking way. Say mama, North Carolina.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, big dog shit.
Big dog shit. Hey, you want a picture? Come get this motherfucker from me. Stop motherfucking playing with me. Stop motherfucking.
Wherever North Carolina, wherever you from, I want to be from the same motherfucking place, man. I want to be from the same.
You do?
place, man.
Give me a hug. Bitch, you have nigga wait up for so long.
Nah, she like crying.
That's my nigga right here. Come take him from me. Come take him from me.
Hey, you know what?
Come take him from me. Come take him. That's my nigga right here. Come take him from me. Come take him from me.
Hey, you know what?
Come take him from me.
You know what?
Come take him from me.
We together from here on out.
Yeah, we together.
Yep.
Come take him from me.
What's today?
Come take him from me. Come take him from me.
Hey, our anniversary is May 28th.
May 28th.
Our anniversary is May 28th.
Boy, ain't no motherfucking way, boy.
That's our anniversary right there, man.
Hey. I told these hoes that's my nigga. He said when our anniversary.
May 28th.
That's today. Yeah.
We're about time. We got been looking for y'all, boy. What we got stepped on, bro?
Man, listen, everybody be like, what the fuck do you? I'm like, that nigga do it.
I like your performance. I love it. Yeah, I'm locked in, brother. I ain't gonna lie. ain't gonna let motherfucker move. I ain't gonna lie. That motherfucker moving. I swear to God.
Okay.
Yeah, that motherfucker moving, fellas. Yeah. You say hey, dirty my little
How y'all doing?
Yeah, for sure.
They scared. I ain't scared.
Oh yeah, I'm already knowing you ain't scared.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, fellas, look, I swear to God, brother. Hey, she got no drawers on either. I can feel it. I can feel all of this right here. Like she ain't got no drawers on, fellas.
That was smart because he's standing like
Hold on, what we on YouTube? What we talking about?
I don't know what the fuck you talking about.
Damn, I ain't got no diamonds and shit like he do. Damn, put it on YouTube.
what the fuck you talking about?
Hold on, what we on YouTube? What we talking about?
I don't know what the fuck you talking about.
Damn, I ain't got no diamonds and shit like he do. Damn, put it. What we on YouTube?
Yeah, you going on there? Say something right now.
Damn, I'm roll.
Hey, shout out Big 25, man. Yeah, we got this bitch with goddamn Duke, man. We better turn over.
Goddamn Duke, man.
I do got something.
I'm telling you.
Hey, look.
They didn't even get the thing he was trying to say.
They're from like, this is like
the governor of Florida is my daddy. I'm putting it up on camera. Come here. Hey, look. Free gas card whenever you go to Florida. Alright? What's your name? John? Hey, congratulations. Free gas card.
I came with a cushion shit. I'm there. I saw that. He got us from here. Bye. I'm sorry, I went right now. You already know I was coming for us. Thank you. I know I look bad right now, but one day we're gonna get married. I promise. I promise you. I promise you. I like you so much. Like so much. Like you're really my wallpaper. It's
Appreciate y'all. Yeah, I want you in too.
Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
No problem, man. Not to be there. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I get you first.
What, bro? What are you doing?
Hit you up on Facebook, Deborah B. Jones. I got Facebook, so I'm gonna hit you up.
What the hell? You got it, brother.
Did you get it?
That's crazy. You all had the same thing.
Yeah, my bad, out board.
Look, this nigga's touching his chest. I've never seen niggas from there.
Look at him, he was astounded. He like, yo, who this nigga? Why all these drinks? And another one come up, he like, yo, what's going on?
It's like,
I'm
good too. Yo, what is
this shit right here is gonna be a bang. Hey, now you good? That jersey hard as fuck. Yeah. Are we right here?
Appreciate that, bro.
You trying to 1v1?
Hell nah.
Why not?
That shit boring.
Hey, man, I done seen you hit the flip before. I see you tomorrow. We gonna hit one of them.
Oh yeah? I ain't even gonna be here tomorrow, gang. So hold on, you can bet, man?
What's up?
You can.
What's up?
Oh God.
Oh yeah.
You got a slide right now.
I'll take the slides. I'll get the slides right now.
Oh, God.
You gotta do that shit with me.
No,
right
no.
Do that for you?
Yeah.
No, get you. I ain't gonna say
No.
What's up?
Yeah, I just want to.
I bust my ass in front of all these people. I still don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck
What you want to party?
Whatever you feel most comfortable with. So, hey, my dog is finna do.
Only because I seen him do that shit on the video.
Oh yeah. Tight shit.
On the football shit. And this shit slippery. If I bust my ass, I don't give a fuck. Hey, yo, I can do that.
Hold on. Take off your hat, bro. Oh, now that your shit look good.
This shit ain't going nowhere, bro.
Hey, turn it on, bro. Hey, that was nice, man.
What's up?
Do that shit.
That's fucking cow. I will hold it. Clear the street.
Nah, what else?
It's good. Go do your thing, man. It's good. Do your thing.
Backflip, yeah. In the dunk. Oh shit.
What is that, boy? Is that the time? Yes, it is. No, that's an 0100. I didn't know what the fuck you was talking about though.
Hell yeah. But it's a 24-hour clock, that's all. Yes, sir.
That red shit is crazy. Nah, that shit is crazy.
I got you. Hey, you gonna know who shot that shit. That's my slogan.
Oh yeah?
You know who shot that shit.
Well, I'm gonna use one of them as my profile picture.
I ain't gonna count. Everything that y'all just seen is for entertainment purposes only, bro. I really don't be raising motherfuckers' mamas up. And to be honest, bro, for all the TikTok people that be posting me, bro, stop saying Duke can't be stopped. Duke is unmatched. Stop saying all that shit, bro. I am a regular ass nigga, bro. Alright, fellas. With that being said, man, I love all y'all. Love all y'all. Love all the females who started this.
He took a family picture. Everybody walked away except the grandma. She was like, I got Facebook. You can find me on Facebook. What? Barbara. See, you knew, you remember, nigga. And that was like out of nowhere. Like, that was for your grandkids and your sons. But you trying to reach on me in front of them? That's crazy. I'm not gonna call him untouched and unmatched because that's neck. But he's up there in risk.
For me talking to watch me and things of that nature right there, man. With that being said, man, 2 mil is on the motherfucking way, man. That's y'all.
Still, he got it. He got it. He's over there risen up. Any different, you know.
That nigga got boys feeling insecure about themselves. That was crazy.
That was rock.
Who are you, bro? I could talk to you.
Nigga said, yo, bro, dude, I can get a picture. Shorties came. Nigga said,
Now, remember that last one we saw? And it was like, cause you had, which we was talking, I think it was Car Duke. And some nigga was talking like, yo, Duke, shit was like, you see who I'm talking to?
oh, yeah.
Oh, I think I do remember that.
I was like, oh, nah, yeah.
She was wild, man. That's crazy. Shit like that is like.
She turned around and relaxed on him. I was like, oh, yeah, see. Going crazy, bitch.
Imagine having fans like that, BC, like.
I'm like, you heard the woman?
I'm be like, yo.
You heard the woman?
Child, man.
Fire,
if she fire, it's different. I'm gonna be like, yo, look, listen,
yo, chill, gay. Got drafted.
Don't worry, you gave me something like that.
Listen, follow us on Twitch. We're going live. I'll probably doing live streams today. Back rooms. You want to see play security games?
Twitter's where it's at. Don't miss out.
It's at Twitter.
Twitch.
Follow Discord.
Twitch. Follow Twitch. Subscribe to the Twitch.